Hello dear participants, welcome to a new tutorial from Logi Owl Tutorials presented by me, Sami Kiyami. In this session, we are going to present the content management system that we are going to use as part of this project. The main purpose of this session is just to give a very fast overview about what is there on that website. The site itself for the content management is very simple. And as you see from the menu up there, you can just click on Qui sont nous just to see an about information like background information, the mission, the objective, all the information related to the to CANAF only and the project itself. Uh, the second option is La Boîte à Outils, and here we can see all the available categories that the administrator and editors can add content to. So we see that we have the virtual resources, webinaire, session d'information de groupe, communication. Uh, the main purpose we should understand here that everything that will be set in that part is a content PDF file, maybe images, like text that you write, all those information and links to somewhere else. So if we are saying webinar, so we will be putting the link for the webinar with description of that. And those are, as you see, here are links. So you can click on one of those and see what is there. Okay, so those are categories, and it's up to the editors or administrators to fill those categories with content. Uh, the uh, the difference content, as I mentioned, can be links, images, even videos. You can put anything there, but normally, just to keep things in order, it would just try to make sure that it follows that specific categories the right way. You can put anything, but try to follow the category. So webinars with webinars, the session of information with the session of information, etc. Here you see like this is the main content here, and you see two different links here in the menu: the platform d'apprentissage, which will guide you to the LMS website, and this is the LMS of CANAF only, the LMS website. So you can here you can see the different courses available, etc. The other link here is the e-class. E-class will guide you to the webinar. So the webinar environment where you can just log in as administrator or as a user to be able to use it. But if you have the link directly from the webinar parts, you can just use it directly, or you can just go to eClass and try to find that specific webinar. So if we click on eClass, we will be forwarded to Adobe Connect account related to CANAF Online to be able to um, participate or log in even to a specific session. And Adobe Connect is an application that is used for to deliver synchronous sessions. And finally, the contact, which contains the information about CANAF and how to connect with CANAF, and just a message form to be able to send to CANAF. And at the end, you will see like the Facebook and Twitter just to share those information. Uh, as you see here, this is very simple, but the content, the main like importance of the CMS is the ability to create users and be able to add content to it by different users. So this is the main view. If we click on La Boîte à Outils and try to access one of the contents, so here I don't have anything on that category. I'll go back when we add content and show you. So rien n'a été trouvé, so there is nothing here to inside that category. So it's an empty category. If you have something inside that category which is which can be scene, you will see it as an item, and we'll see that later on. If you have something which is restricted, as example, I have one uh, like post here or article that if I click here, I can see that I have a post with the name any article, and this is not available for uh, that type of members. So as you will see later on in the administration part, you can control even who can see what. So we can create different levels based on the rules and say that those people will be able to see those type of content, those different people will see something else. So this will help you to create different levels of access to the content that you provide. So it's simple, direct, and easy to use. This is all about just exploring what is the environment, and let's move to the next tutorial discussing the administration from different point of view as an editor, like just to add the content, or as an administrator that will put everything into its place. Thank you.